If you think wireless earbuds have reached their absolute peak, and that every new release is just a minor gimmick with a higher price tag, stop scrolling right now. Apple is quietly preparing to change how we interact with technology forever, and the epicenter of this massive shift is the upcoming AirPods Pro 4. For years, we thought earbuds were simply tiny speakers designed to pipe music into our ears while we walk down the street or sit at our desks. But according to internal supply chain leaks, regulatory filings, and deep dive code traces, Apple is transforming the next generation AirPods Pro into a fully autonomous, AI-driven wearable computer. If you want to know when this revolutionary device is dropping, what kind of mind-bending technology is hiding inside the stems, and why it is triggering panic across the tech industry, stick around. Every single detail we are about to break down will completely alter how you view personal audio. To understand why the release timeline of the AirPods Pro 4 is currently the most heavily debated topic in Silicon Valley, we have to look at the massive strategic pivot happening inside Apple Park. For a long time, Apple followed a predictable, routine update cycle for its Pro audio line. But supply chain analysts tracking component manufacturing and firmware code have uncovered something extraordinary. Apple has been developing two separate parallel hardware tracks internally, a traditional acoustic refinement model and a radically ambitious, next-generation flagship variant featuring advanced optical sensor hardware. While industry schedules and testing phases have shifted dynamically between a late release window and a strategic rollout aligning with Apple's upcoming ecosystem hardware events, the anticipation has reached a fever pitch. Apple is positioning this launch to capture the absolute peak of consumer attention, and the technological leap under the hood makes the wait completely worthwhile. Let's talk about the headline-grabbing feature that has every tech insider losing their minds: the integration of ultra-small, rice-grain-sized infrared camera sensors embedded directly into the outer stems of the earbuds. When initial reports broke claiming that Apple was putting cameras on a pair of AirPods, the internet naturally assumed you'd be snapping photos with your ears. But the reality is far more sophisticated and futuristic. These embedded optical sensors are not designed to take pictures or record videos of your friends. Instead, they serve as your personal visual intelligence gateway. Imagine walking down a busy city street, looking at a restaurant, a historical landmark, or an unfamiliar product on a shelf, and simply asking Siri a question about it. The microscopic cameras on your AirPods Pro 4 stream real-time environmental visual data to Apple Intelligence, feeding context straight into your ears. Siri won't just give you a generic internet answer, it will analyze what you are actively looking at in the physical world, provide instant contextual translations of foreign street signs, give you hyper-accurate turn-by-turn walking directions based on your direct line of sight, and answer complex questions about your immediate surroundings. It turns your earbuds into an invisible, wearable AI assistant that bridges the gap between digital computing and the physical world. To process this heavy influx of real-time visual and audio data without melting in your ears or draining your battery in 10 minutes, Apple is introducing a brand new custom silicon processor, the H3 headphone chip. Building on the massive success of the H2 architecture, the H3 chip is engineered with dedicated neural processing cores designed specifically for low-latency machine learning, real-time spatial audio calculations, and lightning-fast voice isolation. The leap in computational power means that active noise cancellation on the AirPods Pro 4 is expected to reach unprecedented levels, effectively neutralizing up to double the amount of ambient environmental noise compared to previous generations. Whether you are trapped in the deafening roar of a jet engine, working in a chaotic open-plan office, or walking beside heavy highway traffic, the AirPods Pro 4 will create an absolute vacuum of pure silence. Audio fidelity is also receiving a massive, long-awaited upgrade. While previous AirPods models relied on standard Bluetooth audio compression codecs, the combination of the H3 chip and advanced wireless transmission protocols is rumored to finally unlock true, uncompromised lossless audio support natively across all connected devices, removing the hardware pairing barriers of the past. You will hear every single microscopic detail, breath, and instrument separation in your favorite music tracks, experiencing studio-mastered sound quality that rivals bulky, high-end wired over-ear headphones. Furthermore, Apple is refining the acoustic architecture with custom high-excursion drivers and low-distortion amplifiers, paired with an advanced vent system for pressure equalization. This means you can wear the earbuds for hours on end during intense travel or workday sessions without experiencing any uncomfortable ear pressure fatigue. The adaptive EQ features will continuously and automatically tune music in real time to the exact shape of your inner ear canal, ensuring a rich, balanced listening experience tailored exclusively to you. Battery life and power management have always been the ultimate bottleneck for ultra-compact wearable tech, especially when packing advanced optical sensors and high-performance neural chips into a tiny plastic shell. Despite the massive hardware additions, Apple's engineering team has optimized power draw through the extreme efficiency of the H3 architecture. Users can expect solid single-charge listening times even with active noise cancellation and spatial audio features running continuously. The charging case itself is getting a redesign, featuring integrated ultra-wideband technology for deeper precision finding integration, a built-in speaker for Find My Alerts, and versatile USB-C charging alongside faster wireless Qi2 and MagSafe alignment. Dropping the earbuds into the case for just 5 minutes will yield enough rapid power to get you through your next commute or workout session effortlessly. Now, let's address the question everyone is asking: how much is this technological marvel going to cost, and how will Apple structure the lineup? Market analysts point to a fascinating pricing dilemma. Traditional AirPods Pro generations have reliably anchored the $249 price point. However, because the camera-equipped variant introduces expensive optical sensor modules, advanced silicon, and cutting-edge AI processing power, industry insiders suggest Apple may position this revolutionary model as an elite, premium tier, potentially introducing an AirPods Ultra classification above the standard Pro ecosystem, or pricing the new generation starting around $299. While paying a premium for wireless earbuds might sound shocking to casual buyers, consider what is actually happening. You are no longer just buying a pair of headphones. You are buying the world's most advanced, lightweight, hands-free wearable computer equipped with artificial intelligence, professional noise cancellation, and visual spatial awareness. This brings us to the ultimate decision matrix: should you buy a pair of wireless earbuds right now, or should you hold out for the official release of the AirPods Pro 4? If your current earbuds are broken, lost, or failing to hold a charge, and you need reliable daily audio for work calls, workouts, and commuting right now, waiting for an unannounced flagship release isn't practical. Current models offer fantastic ecosystem integration, great battery life, and solid performance today. However, if your current audio gear is still holding strong, and you want your next purchase to represent a genuine, futuristic leap forward in wearable AI, environmental sensing, uncompromised lossless sound, and unmatched noise cancellation, then holding out for the AirPods Pro 4 is without a doubt the smartest move you can make. Apple is on the verge of redefining what personal audio devices can accomplish, and you are going to want to be at the front of the line when they drop.